Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to customize your Streamlabs Mobile Dashboard. Well, to do that, first open your application store, then search for Streamlabs, then download the Streamlabs application. Open it, then log into your account. Then in here, tap the three lines at the upper left corner, then tap the Scenes button and edit your scenes. So personalize your stream further by adding overlays, alerts, and widgets. To add layers, just tap the layers at the upper right corner and add layer. To do that, just tap the add layer at the upper right corner again. Then in here, choose what you want to add a layer. If it's a theme, guest, camera, widget, Streamlabs graphic, a custom item, a share screen, and a stream label. So just tap any of these to customize or personalize your Streamlabs application. Enhance viewer interaction by enabling features like chat, donation, alerts, and event list. Then manage notification and choose the level of interactivity you desire. And that's how to customize your Streamlabs mobile dashboard. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.